Hey guys, in my hands is a prototype of our Autowit Fresh 2 air purifier / humidifier. The housing is made of sturdy ABS plastic and aluminum alloy. Open the bottom of the device. You'll find the 3-layered true HEPA filter. It's replaceable. And if you open the top, you'll find the water tank. The wick in the center draws up water for the humidifier. Now we fill the tank with purified water. Close it. Put it back. Put on the lid. And plug it into any USB port. Voila, it's working. As you can see, the air purifier goes on automatically when it's connected to power, but the humidifier doesn't. You need to tap this water drop icon to turn it on or off. That's it. I hope you like this cute little fella and back us on Kickstarter. Thank you.